Cutting board conditioner. Save money? Make money? Let's do it. Okay, so if you want to condition your cutting boards, you want to make your own conditioner, or if you want to make conditioner and you want to sell it on your website or on Etsy, I'm going to show you how to do it. Here are the basic things you're going to need. You're going to need some beeswax. Next thing I got was this white mineral oil. You want to get white mineral oil. It's definitely the food safe mineral oil. There's different mineral oils out there. Go with the white mineral oil. My wife got me a turkey baster so that we can fill up these little tins right here. These are 4-ounce tins that I got. I got these on Amazon. I don't know, I got 50 of them or something for 20 bucks. I have plenty of these, more than I'll need. Next thing you'll need is some kind of crock pot. Now don't go out and buy a brand new crock pot. You're not gonna use it for anything but this. You're not gonna use it for food. So this is one that we've had. I asked my wife if I could use it, and she's like begrudgingly, yeah, sure. So I'm sure we'll be getting a new crock pot. I also went on Canva. I don't know if you know what Canva is, but it's a nice site, and I made some stickers. I mean, you could do this anywhere that makes stickers. But I made some stickers that I'll put on the top portion of these tins here. The first thing you want to do, turn the crock pot on, get it warming up. But I'm going to take that mineral oil, I'm just going to dump it in here. I got to get it warmed up. And the reason you want to warm it up is you want it to melt the beeswax when you dump the beeswax in there. There we go. That's halfway-ish. That's just about half. This is an old crock pot. I'm guessing it's probably going to take half an hour, 45 minutes to get nice and warm. So I'm just going to let it warm up, and I'll see you when it's hot. It's been about 40 minutes now or so, and it's definitely warm. So our next step is to take the beeswax and take these little pellets. Show you what the close-up of what they look like here. This is what the beeswax looks like. And we're going to dump it in. And one thing I forgot to bring before was a spoon. Oh, don't tell my wife. I stole this spoon too. This process may take a while. Maybe I'll do some full speed. Maybe I'll just jump. Okay, I think it's ready. You can see here all the wax has completely melted into the mineral oil. And I took the time to set up some of these containers here. And all we're going to do is just take some of this. I'm going to take that and start filling the trays. So I filled all these tins. What do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 33 of them. So if you want to know how many tins you can make, there are 33. These tins don't quite hold what I wanted them to. They have about 3 fluid ounces in each. But you can see here, as they start to cool, they start to change color. These were the newest ones I poured, and these were the first ones I poured. So eventually it'll all have that kind of yellow cream color. So we'll let these cool, and I'll come back. These are the stickers I purchased. I created them on Canva, and then you can order them right on Canva. I'm not sponsored by Canva, just saying this was really easy. But I'm going to quickly put these on the tins. Give you a close-up of what the label looks like when it's on the tin. You can get it to focus. There you go. Kind of a nice label. They're not perfect. This one kind of had a little spot there, but nobody will notice. What's more important is what's inside. And there you can see it's just kind of a yellow paste. Still kind of goopy. It'll harden a little more. And I'm going to show you how many boards you can really cover with this. I have 22 small boards. Each one's about the half size of a regular board. So we'll get the oil in here in a little bit, and I'll show you how I put it on the boards and maybe how many we can cover total with one tin. Next, I have 22 half-size charcuterie boards / cutting board kind of deals here. And I'm wondering how many of these I can cover with one can of my cutting board conditioner. So let's see how many I can do. As you can see there, or there, it pretty much used the entire tub. There's a little bit left. I could probably get part of a board out of what's left in there. But it was able to do, one tin was able to do 22 half-size cutting boards. That's pretty good. It's about 11 normal-size cutting boards out of one tin. So with that being said, next thing we'll do, I'll show you how to price these. A little bonus footage for you. I'm going to give you a little bonus here. I've noticed on a lot of forums and in comments on YouTube, people always asking, how do you know how to charge for your products? How much would you charge for this? I just made this. What should I charge? I'm going to do a breakdown of how you charge for your products and how you can make a profit and grow your business. Now, I'm not talking about hobbies. If this is your hobby, great, make it, sell it for whatever you want, enjoy it. But if you're trying to grow a business, this is a great starting point for you to grow your business. So let's do a quick breakdown and see if I can help you out. So here you can see, we're just going to start with the costs on everything. So I'm going to go over each product here and we'll see what we can come up with. So the first thing was the beeswax. And the beeswax, that cost me $12.99. Got it on Amazon. Now you can always bring that down. I bought 1 pound of it. You could buy 5 pounds for 20 bucks and bring down the price. But I just didn't want to store that many pieces. But you can bring down your product price and you'll make more profit, or bring down the total product price, which I'll show you here in the end. But I paid $12.99 for my beeswax. I paid $10.25 for half a gallon of mineral oil. The whole gallon was $20. I only needed half, so I just calculated the half into the price of the product. So it was $10.25. Next were the containers, the tin containers. For 33 of them, it was $19.25. Then for the stickers, it was $18.15. I know I can find those cheaper. But I just wanted to try Canva, so I went a little more expensive with those. Maybe I'll keep using them, maybe I'll find something else. So the total cost for all 4 of those pieces was $60.64. That was my total cost. So let's break it down a little bit further. Let's start with calculating a profit. This is the beginnings. So our total cost for the materials was $60.64. That's not including the crock pot I used and the little turkey baster. I'm not calculating those into it because I can use those over and over and over again. And eventually, profit I make, if I have to buy another one 10 years from now, that's fine. So $60.64 is where we're starting. Then what did we have? We had 33 units. We had 33 containers that we made. So if we take the $60.64 and divide it by 33, each unit costs $1.84 in materials. Now we got to figure out how much time we spent making it. I'm going to estimate it was probably about an hour. It may have been a few minutes more, it may have been a few minutes less, but it was about 60 minutes. And then the estimated time per unit, well, when you divide that by 33, it's 2 minutes. I'm just going to round here because I'm not going to get down to the penny on my time. So I'm just going to call it 2 minutes. So, and my hourly rate, you can charge what you want, but I usually go $60 an hour. right? Puts a little hustle in me to get things done a little faster, because I don't want to overcharge my customer for my being lazy. So it pushes me to work a little faster, and I'm worth it. You're worth what you think you're worth. I think I'm worth $60 an hour, so I get $1 a minute. So when we take that time, that $2, and we add it to the $1.84, each unit with materials and time cost me $3.84. Now, if I were to sell each unit for $3.84, I would make no money. I would make my hourly wage. I would make my $60 an hour, but I would make no profit for my business. My business is 2 builds, and I want that to be a bigger business. So I need to have profit built into my product. I need to have a margin so that my business can grow. So what I would aspire to when you're getting started, if you're not sure what to do, there's a system called the Keystone Markup System. And most business owners or people that go to school for business, they know this. This is a real basic markup system. It's used in retail a lot. Trust me, I work in furniture. I know this from working in furniture. I know this from studying it, but it's the Keystone Markup System. And I'm going to break it down real simple here for you. For small business, the markup should be 50%. So what does that mean? Simple. That means that 50% of the price is profit and 50% of the price is the cost of the product. So if a customer paid $1 for a product, that means that 50 cents would be the cost for the product and 50 cents would be the profit. So here's the easy math. The product times 2 will give you a 50% profit margin. So it's the product cost, which includes the labor, the total product cost times 2 gives you a 50% profit margin. So for our product, here it is. Our product costs $3.84. So $3.84 times 2 is $7.68. That is what you should sell your product for. That will give you the right profit to build your business. So $7.68. That's the Keystone Markup System. It's a great place to start. Now, obviously, this is not the only way to price your products because there's different market factors that flow in there. There's you might have more competition in your area if you're building something. You might have no competition in your area, so you could even charge more because you're unique. But this would be a great place to start. This will get you going. It'll build a profit for your business. And what you do is you take that profit and you invest it back into your business. You always see these people on YouTube that have businesses, and you see them in their garage, and then you see them getting a little bit bigger shop, and all of a sudden you see them with a 50,000 square foot building housing all these different projects. That's because they understand the growth of business. They know what the cost was for their business. They know the profit margin, and they're taking that profit and investing it into their business to get a bigger, better business. And they may be doing something different than Keystone Markups. I don't know. There's so many different ways to make money and to gain profit from your products, but this is the starting point. So here's what I'm saying. If you're in making woodworking projects and you're in it for the money, get a markup on your product. Don't sell it for just your hourly rate plus the product. You're not making any money. Yeah, you're making an hourly rate for yourself, but you're not making any money. You need to pay yourself, but you need to pay your business. Your business needs to grow. So like for me, I take my $60 an hour out. That's for me. Usually I put it right back into the business unless I need something, but that's $60 an hour. That's for me. The 50% margin, that's for my business. My business owns that 50%. So grow your business. You got to be planning for your business. You got to be planning for your future. You want to stay at home and be a woodworker, get rid of your job? This is how you're going to do it. Cutting board by cutting board, that 50% margin that's your freedom right there. So I don't know what to say besides go out and build your business. Grow it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll definitely talk to you about building a business. I maybe even do a video in the future here about how to build your business properly. I'll do more detail. But hopefully this helps you. I want you to build your business. I want you to be successful. So you start out with this. If you have questions, like I said, let me know. Now that you know how to make your own board conditioner, just wanted to show you what it looks like on the board. So you can see it has some really nice color there. This is cherry and walnut. Works great. Hopefully you can see the contrast on that and how much color there really is. So, but I hope you learned something. And you can make your own butter. You can make some of this board butter, board conditioner, and sell it. It's a good profit margin on there. The Keystone is a great way to learn how to use margins in your business. It'll always have a little bit of profit there for you. So hopefully, and then you can just expound from there. And if you learned something, please like this video so other people can get a chance to see it, maybe learn something too. And also, if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming. I try to put out one every couple weeks, if not more often than that. So other than that, go out and do great. Thanks for watching.